If you want to take your Kinemaster edits from basic to professional, there's one tool you absolutely need to master: keyframes. In this video, I'll explain what they are, how to use them, and why they're essential for any serious video editor. Kinemaster's keyframe tool is a powerful way to animate just about anything in your video. Keyframes can animate the size, position, and rotation of a layer. Let's not waste any time and learn how to use keyframes. First, let's add a background. Now I'll increase the length a bit. Next, whatever element you want to animate, go ahead and add it like I'm adding my channel's logo here. This icon you're seeing right here is the keyframe. We're going to use it to animate. Let's say I want this logo to appear with a zoom out effect. So what do we need to do? Tap on that layer, and at the starting point, you'll see a red circle. That's the keyframe point. Keyframes always have an initial keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Add additional keyframes where you want your changes to happen. I want the animation to happen up to this point, so I'll tap on the keyframe icon on the left-hand side. See, a red circle has appeared here. That means a key point has been created. Now I'll go back to the starting keyframe and zoom in the logo. Then, in this second keyframe, I'll make the logo smaller. And just like that, an animation will be created between both keyframes. See, the zoom out effect is now ready. Now to make this animation even smoother, we can use presets. Go between the two keyframes. Then tap on this graph icon on the left-hand side. From here, you can select any preset based on your preference. If you select this one, the animation will start fast and end slow. If you select this one, it will start slow and end fast. For zoom out effects, this one usually looks better. Now watch closely. I'm going to use rotation to make this look even cooler. Suppose you want the logo to zoom out with a slight rotation. So at the starting keyframe, I will rotate the logo a little like this. Now take a look. Just that small change, and see how cool the animation looks now. In the same way, you can use your own ideas to create custom intros too. Now, let's try moving the logo to the side. I will select the layer first. I will keep the logo in this position up to this point, and from here to here, I want to animate it. So I will add a keyframe, and I want the logo to move to the right side by the time it reaches this keyframe. So I will drag the logo to the right side here. And just like that, this animation is also ready. Let's play it once and see how it looks. If you want to add a fade effect at the end of the video using keyframes, you can do that too. For that, first add a black image as a layer. Place it at the end of the video like this, and make it full screen. Now trim the unwanted part of this black layer. Next, we need to reduce the opacity at the starting point of this layer. So scroll a bit, tap on opacity, and slide it all the way down to 0. Then go to the ending point, add a keyframe. Now again go to opacity and slide it up to 100%. And there you go. Your fade out effect is ready. Today you learned what keyframes are, how to use them, and what all you can do with them. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a like. It really helps us a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want an in-depth guide on the blur tool, check out this video. And if you want to learn a cool text effect, then watch this one. I'll see you there. Take care.